So good evening guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's discuss about the best stocks for intraday trading for tomorrow with a brief analysis. And guys, if you are new to stock trading and want to master trading strategies in derivatives and equity, then you should definitely consider enrolling to our well-structured 1 week training program, which is all about stock trading, which we are providing in online and offline as well. So guys, if you're interested, definitely contact us using the details in the description for further informations. And dear friends, if you want to trade with us, please utilize the daily free video series that we are providing on this channel. And if you are new to trading, you can open a Demat account with us in Upstocks, which is a discount broker well preferred for beginners. You can start the procedure by just clicking on the link in the description. So without further delay, let's go to the analysis and do watch the second part of the video where we discuss about the performance of our previous day's stock picks. So let's go to the video. The first big is RBL Bank. So in RBL Bank, these are the levels that you can consider. Before that, I will show you the bigger picture. So it is in an uptrend. You can see right now it is in an uptrend. This white line is the trend line which have been respected for the past few months. So we can see a triangle pattern within this range, and it is already broken. Okay, so after this breakdown, this price have come to a downtrend for the past few weeks. So you can go for a long position above 214.90 or 215, or you can go for a breakdown if it breaks below 209.50. So these two are the levels that you have to consider for trading in RBL Bank. And the next pick is Hindalco. So in Hindalco, the exact reason why we are providing this stock is it is in a flag and pole pattern. So we can see a pole right here and a downward flag right here, which is a channel pattern. So price is exactly near to the resistance zone, but it is not actually very close. It is consolidating near to the resistance zone. This is a resistance, horizontal resistance zone, and this is the resistance of the flag pattern. So above this level, which is 328, above 328.50, you can go for a breakout, and below 319.55 you can go for a breakdown. The price is actually in between this channel pattern, so you can either go long or short if it break above or below these levels. So the next pick is TVS Motors. So in TVS Motors, the bigger picture shows that it is in an uptrend. Okay, and this yellow inclined line is an uptrend, and right now you can see a small downtrend channel pattern with this blue channel line. So it is in the support zone of the channel pattern. It have bounced back from the support zone towards the upper side. So you can see in the smaller picture, you can see there is a downtrend properly respected using this resistance zone. Okay, this yellow line as the resistance. So it is actually consolidating near the resistance zone. So if it breaks above this resistance zone, you can hope for an impulsive movement, impulsive breakout. Okay, so we are considering these two levels, which is above 575 you can go for a breakout, and below 561 you can go for a breakdown. So this is the level. Above this level you can see a breakout of this downtrend line, and below this level you can hope for an impulsive wave of this downtrend line, which means price properly respecting this downtrend line and start an impulsive movement downward. So that is the case of TVS Motors, and these two are the important level. And the last pick is Ashok Leyland. So in Ashok Leyland, I will show you the full view of Ashok Leyland. It is also in an uptrend, and the price have took support over the support zone. Okay, support zone of the uptrend, and also you can see the price right now is consolidating near the resistance zone of the recent small downtrend line. Okay, this yellow line is the downtrend line that you have to consider, which I have been respecting for the past few months. So right now price is kind of consolidating near to that level. So if it breaks above this level, you can go for a long position, and if it breaks below this horizontal support zone, you can go for a short position. So above 115 you can go for breakout, and below 112 you can go for breakdown. So these are the levels that you have to consider in the picks for Monday. So guys, this is the pick that we have given for today. So it was Apollo Tires. So we have expected a breakout above this level because of this scenario, which is the price is at the support zone and started bouncing back from this zone. So as we expected, this was the major resistance zone, which is this yellow line, and it is broken and properly respected throughout the day. So you can see in the morning session we have proper resistance over this zone. It have been respected properly, and it fell down and it break out this level and retested this level multiple times. So you could have made decent profit from this rejection. So you could have made a profit of 1% from this rejection, and again you could have made a profit of 0.5% from the next trade right here, and again 1% from the next trade right here. So this was a successful pick, and the level that we have considered was the only level that have been respected in this pick throughout the day. So that was the case of Apollo Tires, and the next pick was Sun Pharmaceutical. So in Sun Pharmaceutical, the reason why we consider this pick was same as in same as in Apollo Tires, which was it was in the support zone, and we hope impulsive movement above this level. So as we expected, the level was broken and price have a bit of an impulsive movement above that level. So if we consider this level, you can see a breakout right here, and the level was retested and started a small uptrend rally. So if you have entered at this point or this point, you could have made a maximum profit of 1.23%. So that was the case of Sun Pharmaceutical. And the next pick was TCS, and in TCS you can see the price was kind of within our range, and we have a stop loss hit right here because this was a false breakout. So you have a the level have been properly respected, you can see right here. Before that I will explain the reason. You already know the reason because I have explained in the last video. This is a channel pattern, and price is actually at was at the support zone. Okay, so from the support zone it bounced back towards the upper direction and got rejected from our resistance zone, but unfortunately it was kind of a trying to break out. So most of the people might have ended up in a stop loss because you might have ended in this stock right here at this breakout. So after that it fell down in a very steep manner. Okay, so you might have ended at this rejection because price rejected after touching this level. So if you have ended at this level, you could have made a profit of 6%, I mean 0.6%. so that was the case, and you can see this was where the market started today, and after that it bounced from this level and they again came back to this level. Okay, so you can see right here it took support over exactly at our support zone and started a steep movement upwards. Okay, so possibly you have another trade here before that trade above this level. Okay, so if you have ended at this level, I mean if you have bought at this level, you could have made a profit of 1.8%. so that was again a successful trade, and I'm also saying that you might end up in stop loss at this breakout, hoping this is a breakout. If you hope this is a breakout, you have possibly ended up in a stop loss. So that was the case of TCS, and the last pick was ICICI Prudential. So in ICICI Prudential, you can see I will show you the bigger picture why I consider this stock. It is due to a flag and pole pattern. This is the pole and this was the flag, and it was broken in the morning session, but it was not a proper tradable kind of breakout because the breakout happened with a gap up opening and price shooted very in a very fast manner and took resistance exactly at our resistance zone and fell down towards this level and consolidated inside that level. So if you can see, you have a trade right here which was this rejection. Price actually rejected this level and fell down. So if you have entered at this level, you could have hold till this support zone, which is a profit of 5 points. So that was only considerable trade in this pick, and after that when it break down this level, you might have another trade, and after that it retested the same level, then again it fell down, you might have another trade, and I'm not counting this because it was in kind of a consolidation and a confusing market. So That was the case of ICICI Prudential. So these are the picks that we have provided for today. So hope you have enjoyed the video. So guys, if you like this video, you should please consider subscribing to our channel, because most of the people who are consistently making profit and watching our video are not actually our subscribers. So guys, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon, and please like our video and give us your honest feedback through our comment section. That's the way we can improve. That's actually that's the only way we can improve. So please do that, and see you guys tomorrow.